It all started with this, the very simple, compact, and yet practical drill bit sharpener that I designed 2 years ago, and apparently viewers on YouTube really liked it. Even some of them had suggestions for me to improve my design. So in response to all that kindness, here it goes, the drill bit sharpener 2.0. Instead of using so many bolts and nuts to adjust the bit, I'm just gonna use the original bit sharpener. Then to prevent the bit from moving, I'm just gonna use a paper clip. For rotating the base, you don't need fancy ball bearings and useless wobbly hinges. Another bolt and nut will do just fine. For the angle adjustment, I just cut at half side of each bolt and drilled a hole through them. Also, you will need some bolt and nuts for the angle adjustment. To prevent this become loose due to high vibration, I went for a lock washer and 2 nuts because I just had them around. Now, one thing to note here is I tried to go as basic as possible. For example, here I designed the base to attach to an angle grinder, not a bench grinder, simply because just more people have access to an angle grinder. And also I went for some simple bolts and nuts instead of welding the pieces. So here it is, the Bit Sharpener 2.0. Just remember you have to adjust the paper clip with the tip of the bit for the first pass, and then for the second pass, just going to rotate it exactly 180 degrees. Just keep that in mind, the grinding material could vary depending on your need. I had very good results with sandpapers and also a diamond wheel. I hope it satisfies those hard-to-please viewers. And in case it didn't, let me know in the comments what you think about this design and should I do a version 3? Thanks for watching, guys.